Hello, dear students. This is Wael Bashuri, the physics and math teacher. In this video, I'm going to solve some hard electric circuit questions. So let's start with this one. In this circuit, we have the battery or the cell, 20 volts, and three resistors. Each one is given to us as 10, 20, and 30 ohms. Now, the first question here, find the equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance, and here the resistors are in series, so we can easily add the resistors and get the equivalent resistor. So resistance in series, we have to add the resistors. So R is equal to 20 plus 10 plus 30, which is 60 ohms. So total resistance in this case is 60 ohm. Okay, now let's see next question. Calculate the current in the circuit. Now to calculate the current in the circuit, we use Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law here? R is equal to V over I. That is Ohm's law. So now we replace 60 for the total resistance and 20 for the voltage. So here we see now 60 is equal to total voltage is 20 divided by the current which we want to find. In this case here, we cross multiply and find the current. So if you cross multiply, this will be over 1. Then you cross multiply like this. So now we do 20 times 1 is 20. And 60 times I is 60I. Next, you can find I by division. I is equal to 20 divided by 60. And this is 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 amps, that's the current in the circuit. So let's write this. So here, the current will flow from the positive terminal of the circuit to the negative terminal, which means like this, 1/3 amps. So the current is 1/3 ampere. Now, next question here. Find the voltage across each resistor. Now, the voltage across each resistor is easy. Let's assume that here we have a voltmeter. And we want to measure the voltage across the first resistor. Also here we use Ohm's law. R is equal to V over I. Now in this case, we want to find the voltage of the 10 ohm resistor. So now we replace 10 is equal to V, which we don't know, divided by the current. The current is the same all over the circuit because it is series. So divide by 1/3. Now if you cross multiply like this, so you get V is equal to 1/3 times 10. So V is equal to 10 times 1/3, and this will be 10 over 3. So 10 over 3 volts, that's the voltage across the first resistor. Now to find the voltage across the second resistor, we do exactly the same thing. Now let's assume that the voltmeter now is here, and I want to measure the voltage across the 20 ohm resistor. Again, I will use Ohm's law. R is equal to V over I. R we have it, which is 20, is equal to V which is also 20, sorry, this is what we have to find, divided by the current, which is 1/3. Now if you cross multiply, this is over 1, and if you cross multiply like this, you get V is equal to 20 times 1/3, and this is 20/3 volts, and that's the voltage across the 20 ohm resistor. Now to continue, we want to find now the voltage across the 30 ohm resistor. Assume that you have the voltmeter now here, and you want to find the voltage across 30 ohm resistor. Use also Ohm's law, R equal V over I again. R here is 30, so 30 is equal to V, which we don't know, divided by the current, which is 1/3. Now if you cross multiply, you get V is equal to 1/3 times 3, which is 10. So 10 volt, that's the voltage across the 30 ohm resistor. Thank you.